Hi, my name is Ranjani Raman, a dietitian and nutrition therapist, and I would like to talk to you about digestive health today. So we see a lot of people complaining about gut disorders or digestive disorders in today's generation, primarily because of poor food habits and lifestyle. They could have symptoms such as IBS or IBD. To elaborate, IBS means irritable bowel syndrome, wherein people have discomfort in digesting foods, resulting in symptoms such as loose stools, constipation or bloating, and some of us can also have mixed symptoms. Sometimes people also complain about discomfort such as bloating, pain or bleeding in stools. This can result in more further complications in the long run, and these are classic signs and symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases. So it's important that we have a clarity about IBS and IBD and also make sure we take care of our digestive health so that it does not aggravate further and result in extreme health conditions. Most of the causes today for the digestive disturbances is poor eating habits, poor lifestyle, less sleep, and definitely stress. We have seen a great correlation between stress and digestive disorders, and it's important that we tackle these. But today we'll talk about what foods can be added to promote better digestive health. When it comes to gut health, the first word that we remember is probiotics. Probiotics are nothing but foods that contain live microorganisms which can help in better digestion. Our gut contains millions of microorganisms of different kinds of strains, and these help in better digestion. The more we have unhealthy bacteria in our gut, the more we will experience poor gut health. And if we have beneficial bacteria, it's going to help us with a positive gut health. So beneficial bacteria is present in healthy probiotic foods such as curd, buttermilk, or fermented foods such as idlis, dosas, or doklas, and these foods can be incorporated regularly to promote better gut health. Other fermented foods such as kefir, kombucha, or even fermented pickles are coming more into the market today and can be included regularly if you experience symptoms of poor gut health. On the whole, including good amount of probiotics on a daily basis can help in better gut microflora, thereby helping in better symptom reduction. The next set of foods when it comes to gut health is prebiotics. Prebiotics are nothing but the foods that the probiotics feed on. For example, including good amount of fruits and vegetables are great sources of fiber, and these probiotics can feed well on this fiber, thereby multiplying their growth and promoting positive gut health. So other foods such as ginger, garlic may also contain prebiotic elements in them and can help in better gut health. So including prebiotics are also a very important part of positive gut health. So nowadays we are talking a lot about symbiotics, which means a good combination of prebiotics and probiotics. For example, including good amount of vegetables in curd. For example, a traditional raita was a great source of symbiotics. So including foods as a combination can help in better gut health. And even foods like idli with vegetables, or it can be dosas which has stuffed vegetables in them, all of them are good combination of prebiotics and probiotics. Today we are also talking about a term called symbiotics, which means a good combination of prebiotics and probiotics. So in our regular intake, giving a good combination of these can help in better gut health. For example, adding vegetables to your idli or dosa preparations, or adding vegetables with your curd, which is like our traditional raita preparations, or we also have fruit lassis and vegetable lassis which can help in better symbiotic combinations. So these can be incorporated regularly so that you can have better gut health. Certain herbs and condiments also help in better digestive health, including leaves like tulsi or mint leaves, or ginger tea or jeera tea can also help you in better gut health. So you have to probably try and experiment with these options because different people respond very differently to these herbs and condiments. So try them in a very mild version, and then if it suits you, you can gradually increase the intake. Some of us may experience bloating after consuming certain foods, and it's important for you to notice a pattern in the kind of foods that are causing this bloating. For example, you may be consuming foods that are fermenting in the stomach and hence may cause a gut disturbance. So in such cases, we would always ask our patients to go on a low FODMAP diet. So FODMAP is nothing but foods that are low on fermenting in nature. So you must try and avoid these foods. You can also probably avoid foods that is causing an allergy and intolerance based on your observation of your symptoms. Today there are a lot of food allergy tests and intolerance tests as well. If you you want to know exactly what is causing your digestive disturbance. When it comes to gut health, it's also important that we eat on a timely manner and do not skip our meals. We see people eating in untimely manner and also overeating at once, resulting in extreme stress to the digestive tract, thereby resulting in a lot of digestive symptoms. So it's important to eat in a timely manner and make sure you're eating in moderation and not overdoing at once so that your digestion can be complete. One of the most important component that I always insist is the water intake. So when it comes to gut health, your water intake is very, very important because water is what facilitates a better digestion. A lot of times we have seen people complaining about acidity or chest burning simply because they do not consume enough water. So make sure you're drinking at least about 2 to 3 liters of water, and do not gulp too much water at once because this can also dilute your digestive juices, thereby making your digestion incomplete. So split your water intake throughout the day. Every 45 minutes give about 200 ml of water so that you have sufficient water intake throughout the day. To summarize, when it comes to digestive health, it's important you're drinking plenty of water, including good amount of colorful fruits and vegetables, including probiotic rich foods, and managing a healthy lifestyle with timely eating patterns.